Alright, today I'm going to go over how to fix your knob for that goes on the door. Say for instance, it can go on a dresser drawer or either on a cabinet. Sometimes the knob comes off and it's because it's become unscrewed. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the screw and you're going to take the knob. Sometimes if you can't find the screw, it's probably still in there, stuck in here on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the screw, I'm going to put it through the hole, and I'm going to take my knob and I'm just going to twist it. Oh, it dropped. I'm going to take it and I'm going to twist it on. It should go on really easily. All right. Just twist it until it's all the way on. And if to make it tighter, you can just keep on hold your finger on it and twist it. If not, you can actually take a screwdriver, put it in there, and then twist it, and it'll tighten securely. And that's how you fix your knob. Let me know if you have any questions.